I was sent the Oak Essentials Moisture Rich Balm, and I'm so excited to use this. First of all, it just smells so good. The aromatherapy blend of oils in this smells so calming. It just reminds me of being at a spa. And the texture looks like this. So it is almost like a melted lip balm texture. That's kind of what it reminds me of. You're going to get a little bit out on your finger. And of course, depending on the day, this might be more melty. It is kind of cold in my house right now. And then you're going to warm it between your palms, and that's going to kind of melt it. And then we apply it. And that's all you have to do. You can wear this evening time before you go to sleep. You can wear it in the morning before you apply your SPF. And just that little pea size amount is enough for your whole face. If you want to do a little bit more, I'm going to do a little more just to give myself like a supreme glow. I'm going to go ahead and do that. What you're going to get is that instant dewy, glowy skin, which just makes you look always, I think, more youthful and a little bit more alert and awake. You're getting that deep hydration. And then this also helps boost your collagen, which is great for anti-aging and combating any fine lines and wrinkles. Super simple to use. I think the smell of it is just gonna put you in such a great state of mind. I think I'm gonna use this every night before bed and also again in the morning. I'm loving it, and I think you're gonna love it as well.